Hey guys, in this video tutorial you are going to learn how to make ASCII art with Pyfiglet in Python programming language. If you follow me correctly, at the end of the video tutorial you'll be able to make this kind of ASCII art like this one, and there is many more. You can build by your own. So follow me. Hey guys, this is Touhid from Touhid YouTube channel. In this channel I make different kind of programming and tech related videos. So if you are new, consider to subscribe. Let's jump into the video. Well, if you want to make fun stuff and if you want to make different kind of ASCII art in Python, you can follow this. If you are a beginner in Python programming language, or if you interested to make different kind of ASCII art, this is the video for you. Like this video, in the future I will make different kind of mini projects in Python. So if you want me to make different videos on different topic, you can comment below, and the source code will be available for you in the description below, and I will upload the source code in the GitHub, so it will be easy for you to get the code. And I want you to follow me step by step, and I will describe you step by step and details. Well, what is the requirement you have to fulfill if you are going to make this ASCII art program? At first, you need to have the Python 3.6 or above installed in the system. And then you need to have the Pyfiglet module installed in the system. Also, you need to have the Termcolor to make the different color styles. Also, you have to have the basic Python knowledge. And don't worry, follow me. I will describe you step by step and details. Well, what is the objective of this video tutorial? Understand what is ASCII system and work with it. Learn how to use the ASCII system to make text art. Learn how to install Python module. Work with some common functions and uses. Well, what is the definition of ASCII or ASCII? It's abbreviated from American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is a character encoding standard for electronic communication. ASCII code represents text in computers, telecommunications equipments, and other devices. Most modern character encoding schemes are based on ASCII, although they support many additional characters. So this is the example of an ASCII table. You can see the decimal, hexadecimal, and the characters represent different kind of letters and characters. If you want to know more about ASCII table and ASCII, you can search online. Well, let's fulfill the requirement of what we need to have, and we are going to install the Pyfiglet and the Termcolor one by one. Okay, let's follow me. So guys, let's fulfill our requirement for our program. So at first we need to install our modules. So what we need to do to make our code work to install the modules? At first you need to go your computer, and then you need to type the cmd command. At first you need to go to your computer, then press Windows plus R key, and a pop-up will open like the run command, and then you need to type cmd and then press enter or press OK. You can also work with your terminal if you're using a Linux machine or a Mac. And then how we can install a Python module in our system? First you need to type pip, and then you need to type install install, and then you have to type the name of the module. So in this case we need to type Pyfiglet, Piglet. So Pyfiglet is our module. So press enter. It's saying that the requirement is already satisfied because I already installed the module. So you don't need to worry, just follow me and the module will install in your system. And then you need to type again the pip command, because we have one more method we need to install, the Termcolor. So pip install and then termcolor color. So then press enter. and it's saying that already satisfied because I also installed that module too. So in this case, now the important thing is where we are going to write our code. So if you have the command shell, that is also okay. You can type it in terminal, and then you can use the Python idle, the built-in one, and also you can use any type of IDE, but in this case I'm going to use the IntelliJ IDEA because it's very fast and it helps us to complete our code very fast, and it can correct our problem very fast. So let's jump into the code. So follow me as I do, and then if you have any problem, let me know in the command. At first we need to import the module from the computer. Okay, let's type a command. It's really good to type command every time because when you do something, it will be a reminder for you, and after a long time when you see your code, it will show you that what you did, and you can remember what you did last time. For making command, you need to type number sign, and then you need to type the text as that you want to be commented. So we are going to say that importing the module. Now we are going to import the module here. If you want to import a module, you need to type from Pyfiglet is the name of the package, Pyfiglet. Yeah, it's also giving us the hint, and then we need to type import what module. We want to import the Figlet format module, Figl. Yeah, it's showing that this module, yeah, this one. And then we are going to import the color module from Termcolor. So it's the same, from Termcolor import the colored module, color method. Now we are going to take the import from the user, that what they are going to show. So now take a variable called ASCII _ art, and then in that variable we are going to assign the function Figlet format, and in that we can show that the first parameter is the text and then the font or style. So we are going to give the text here. What can we give? HELLO, hello, and then we can give the font. So let's give nothing, just print it. So it will take the default font. Okay, if we need to show the output, we need to use the print command. So print and then ASCII art. Now we can run the program. So right click and then run the ASCII art. So this is our output, and it's looking beautiful, but we have other things to take. We can change the color, we can change the style, and we can ask the user input. So let's make one by one. Now we have to take the input from the user. So let's make another variable that msg stand for message, and then we need to use the input function. What input function does, it takes the string from the user, and the string will be inserted into the msg variable, and in the input function you can give a message to the user. So we are going to give that what would you like to print. You can make a question command. I think one is enough, and then we can give the message variable to the Figlet format function. So let's replace it msg, and it's going to work as well. Okay, let's see. So it's asking an input from the user. It's saying that what would you like to print. So let's print what we want to do. So type HELLO, hello, and then press enter. So it's doing the same. Okay, so now what we are going to do, now we are going to make the color. Okay, so now we are going to change the color. So how to do? Okay, follow me, don't worry. if we want to change the color, we have to use the colored function that we took from the Termcolor module. At first, we need to make a variable called colored ASCII underscore ASCII, 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 and then we need to take the function called colored. And then in that function, we are going to pass our Pyfiglet format function that assigned in the ASCII art, and then we can give a name of the color. Let's give a name called red. Now what we are going to print, we need to print the colored ASCII because we changed the color. Okay, so now let's run. So what would you like to print? Okay, let's print the hello again. So now it's in the red color. If we want to take more color or more styles, what we need to do? We can also ask from the user. Okay, now we can take the input from the user and we can type a variable that called color, C-O-L-O-R, and then in that variable we are going to take the input from the user. So again, we are using the import function. In the import function, we are going to give a message called what color do you want? Okay, this is a question, and then use the question mark, and then okay, let's give this one, it's looking a little bit good. Also use here, and then we can use the colored variable here instead of giving the color every time from the code. Okay, so we did it, and now let's run the program. So let's give the text HELLO, hello, and then it's want the color. Okay, let's give the red again, R-E-D, red. Okay, oh well, successful. So now what we can do, we can make a set of colors. So how to do? Follow me. Okay, after that, under the color variable, we are going to assign another variable called valid underscore color, and in that variable we are going to make a tuple, and in that tuple we are going to create some elements, color elements. So the first one is red, and the second one is green, the third one is yellow, and then we can use another one like blue, and then cyan, and then white. I think it's enough, and these are the standard color, and also these are the color we can use now. We can validate the color. If a user input the wrong color, we will set a default color. If color not in valid color, then change the default color. Let's use the white color. Now we can see the output. Now type hello again, then enter, and then give the color red. It's in red now. We can run again, world, hello world, from hello world, and then press enter. Then we can type a different color that not in the list. X is not a name of a color. Okay, press enter. Oh well, now it's in white because we set the default color as white. Well, now we can change the style or the font. So let's come to the Pyfiglet module, that is Pyfiglet format, and now we can change the font, and then we can give the name of a font. Let's give slant. We can run the program again and see the output, HELLO, hello, and give the name of a color, and that is red. Maybe red is my favorite. Oh, now it's different. Okay, now we can make different kind of fonts. We can make different kind of changes or different kind of styles with the font. Now I'm going to type the font's name in a variable called font, and we will assign the font variable in the Pyfiglet format function. Below the valid color, we are going to make another variable called font, and in the font variable we are going to assign another tuple. No, not tuple. We are going to use list this time. We are not going to type. I'm going to paste a code because it's long. From here we are going to use different kind of fonts. How to access any element from the list? We can use the name of the list, and you can use the index font, and then we can use the index, that is maybe index 0. So let's run the program again and we can see the changes. Hello, and then choose a color, cyan, this time this one, this color. Oh, this is different now. Okay, now we can change another font, maybe this time alphabet. And so alphabet is which index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one is alphabet, so we are going to type 4 here and then run again. Then we are choosing the color, the sign. Oh, wonderful. So there's another thing we can do here. We can run the program and we can do some random changes, like every time the style will be changed, the font will be changed. We need another module that called random, and from the random we are going to take the randint module. From random, import the randint function, and now we are going to take another variable called random choice for the font. So random random underscore choice, and then randint. In the randint we need to give the sequence. So what sequence? Like from where is starting and from where is going to stop. So we are going to start from 0, and then there is some automatic code. We are going to give the start and then where we are going to stop. We don't know the length. We don't know how many elements we have in the front. So we can use the length function here. Length, and then we can use the font. Every time the randint function will generate a number between 0 and the length of the front list, we will have a different index. So instead using the index, we are going to give the variable random choice. Now it should change automatically. So let's run and see the output. Let's type hello again, hello, hello, press enter. We can use the red color, right? And press enter. Oh, this time is another one. Okay, let's run again. Give hello, 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 press enter, and then give sign color, press enter. Awesome, this time is another one. So by this way you can make different kind of ASCII art in the Python programming language. You can also change the color randomly by using the random choice. I'm going to show you another method that you can use. So what is that one? So let's take another function from the random module. We can import the shuffle. Where we can use the shuffle method? We can use the shuffle method. So below the random choice we can call the function that shuffle, and then in the shuffle method we can pass a iterable, and front is a list and we can pass the front as an iterable here. Let's give the front here, and now we can comment out the random choice. What the shuffle will do, the shuffle will change the indexes or the elements inside the front list, and we need to change here also. Can type 0 index here because the element is going to change again and again. Let's run the program again to see the output. Hello, and then give the red color. Now remember, this is the style, and now we are going to run again, hello again, and then maybe this time sign. As you can see, the style is changed. You can use the both function to change the style or the front. So let me know, comment below that which one is easier for you, the random choice, the randint function, or the shuffle method. So if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment below. If you think that this video was helpful for you, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the update about every single video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.